Our veterans give up their time, sometimes their lives, defending our freedoms as well as the freedoms of other countries. Veterans leave families behind for months, sometimes for years. Veterans know what it's like to stand guard alone in the rainy, cold, or snowy nights while others sleep. They know the meaning of hardship, standing watch far from their loved ones. Our country and you are important enough to these veterans that go through these long separations from families, miss the births of children, freeze in sub-zero temperatures, bake in deserts and wild jungles, lose limbs, and far too often give up their lives so that you and I can remain free.
Can you tell Daddy good night?
Good night, Daddy.
We'll talk to you soon.
Good night,
Love
babies.
you. Love you. Bye. Bye.
I love you very much. Give your mommy a love for me, okay?
Okay.
And we just want to honor this family right now. Miss Rogers, we love you as a Glen Oaks family, and we're here to support you.
On this special day, we gather around to honor our heroes so strong and proud. They're the veterans, brave and true, who served our land in red, white, and blue.
We salute you and we honor you, and we know that every day that you are here in America is a great day. So we thank you for serving. We thank you for taking time to be with us, and we appreciate all that you've done and all that you are still doing.
In closing, I challenge you, if you see a veteran, walk up to them and tell them, thank you for your service. Don't be surprised if the veteran responds, thank you for your support. You are worth it.